Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up YouTube Kids with parental controls to provide a safe video experience for your children, follow these step-by-step instructions to configure appropriate content settings. Step 1. Download the YouTube Kids app from the App Store or Google Play Store on the device your child will use. Install and open the app to begin the setup process. Step 2. Tap Get Started on the welcome screen, then select I'm a parent to access the parental setup flow and control configuration options. Step 3. Sign in with your Google account when prompted. This allows you to manage settings and view your child's activity across different devices. Step 4. Choose to create either a supervised Google account for your child or set up YouTube Kids directly. A supervised account provides additional parental controls across Google services. Step 5. Enter your child's name, age, and birth month. YouTube Kids uses this information to provide age-appropriate content recommendations and filtering. Step 6. Select a content setting appropriate for your child's age, preschool for 4 and under, younger for 5 to 8 years old, or older for 9 to 12 years old. Step 7. Set a parental control passcode by entering a 4-digit number. This prevents your child from accessing settings, changing content levels, or viewing blocked channels. Step 8. Configure additional settings like search capabilities, sound effects, and screen time limits. You can disable search entirely to show only curated content or set daily usage time limits. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.